Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter that you have to prepare for NEET 2021, that's ray optics in physics. Okay, why do we say this is one important chapter? Because every year you get 2 to 3 questions in this chapter. This is a lengthy chapter but still it is easy to prepare. Okay, so don't miss this chapter. You would have learned this chapter in class 12. So it will be an advantage for you to prepare. Okay, let us see what areas to focus in this chapter. First thing that you have to prepare is about optical instrument. You have 4 instruments and we get question from any one of the instruments. Okay, and when you are preparing this optical instrument, you have to prepare the defects also. Okay, so vision defects, all this you have to be prepared about. Second thing is refraction through lens. Okay, so that is another important area where you get question, and another area is prism. Prism also we get question. And the next area is reflection, so both concave and convex mirrors. Okay, so these are the areas you have to focus, and don't say ma'am you have listed all the areas. Yes, you have to prepare. Let us see how the questions were over the last 3 years from these chapters. Okay, whether you are getting from all the parts or some specific parts alone. Okay, so then you will have a fair idea how to prepare this chapter. In 2018, you had 3 questions in this chapter. One question was from optical instruments, and that was from astronomical instrument. It was a theory question, and always remember, when you get a theory question, questions are not beyond what you have learnt in your NCERT. Okay, so that was an easy question. And you had one question in prism, that was from angle of incidence. That was an easy question because it was direct formula based question, so student felt it easy. And another question you had in concave mirror, this was about displacement of image. You have a question, you would have learnt it, the distance of image, displacement of image is one step ahead of that, and it was not difficult, it was easily. Okay, so 2018 paper was slightly difficult compared to 2019 and 20. However, the 3 questions you had in this chapter was easy. So that is the reason I ask students to prepare this chapter, because you don't get much difficult questions in this year, even though in this chapter, even though the chapter is little elaborate to prepare. Okay, every year the questions were easy from this chapter. Let us see how the questions were from 2019 from this chapter. You had again 3 questions in this chapter. One question was from the combination of lens, in the lens combination of lens. Here the question was little lengthy because you have to draw diagram and then you have to solve it. Okay, so I cannot say it was too easy for students, it was little moderate. Okay, so another question you had in reflection, it was about total internal reflection. So it is directly from NCERT concept, so the students felt it easy. You had one question from rainbow concept, and that was a theory question from NCERT. It was easy one. Okay, so these are the 3 questions you have, and in 2020 you had 2 questions. One was from instruments about telescope. So that was, the question was about resolving power concept, and the concept was in NCERT and it was not difficult. Okay, you had one question in prism and again from angle of incidence. So the angle of incidence you have in NCERT, and it was concept plus formula, both you should know to solve this question, and it was not too difficult. Okay, so these are the questions you had over the last 3 years. So that explains that this chapter is easy to answer. So one thing is easy to prepare is one thing that you have to focus. Another thing is easy to answer in examination. Which chapter is easy to answer if you prepare? Okay, so in that category you will have ray optics. Okay, so it will be an easy to answer chapter in examination. So concentrate on this chapter and prepare well, and see my videos to have updates on the areas to focus in every chapter for your NEET exams. Thank you, all the best.